Like all survivors, I was struck when I hope I won't give a damn. But now I know I thought I'll never be yet. War isn't over when it ends. Some pictures never leave your mind. They are the faces of the children that the ones we left behind. They're both we joy, the dust of life. They're still in hell, and for this life, they are living reminders of all the good we feel to do. We can't forget, must not forget, that they're all our children too. Oh, these kids get walls on every side. They don't belong in any place. Their secrets they can hide is written on their face. I never thought one day I would have breeds from a land that's stored, but then I saw a camp for children whose crime was being born. They're called with oil, dust of life, concealed in hell, and for this life, we are the fathers and a family, a loving home they never knew, because we know deep in our hearts that they're all our children too. These are souls in need, they need us to give, someone has to pay for their chance to live. Help me that's why we know in our hearts that they're all our children.